There's a couple of ways to copy and forward text messages on your iPhone. First, we'll pull up a conversation that has a message that I want to copy. I can tap and hold a message to select it, and from the menu that opens up, I'll tap More. Now I get a little forward button in the bottom right corner of my screen, and I can either forward a single message or multiple messages from this conversation. When I'm ready to forward, I'll tap the button and then choose a recipient. You'll see in my message field that all the separate messages I selected are now grouped into one single chunk, which does get the message across, but to me this feels a little bit clunky. I think they should at least include a line break in between the messages if you're forwarding a handful of messages that were originally submitted separately. So that's how you forward a message. If you want to just copy a message, we can do that too, and the steps are similar. We'll tap and hold the message and then choose Copy. You can then paste the message pretty much anywhere, whether that's an email or really any app that allows you to input text. I'll go to my Notes app, for example. I'll just tap an empty space here where the text cursor is, and then choose Paste to paste the message here. Let's do that again. Find the text cursor, tap it, and then choose Paste. Nice and easy. Keep in mind that copying isn't limited to text. I can, for example, hop back to my conversation and repeat the same steps to copy a photo from this conversation. And just like with text, I can then go in and paste it to pretty much any app that supports photos, like my Notes, for example. And that's how you copy messages. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.